Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Chrome updated and you signed into the same Google account on both computers. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop extension, accept prompts, and grant access to your profile and remote permissions. This establishes identity and security. Once done, choose Remote Access, then click Turn On to create a host. Make sure to set a 6+ digit PIN. This protects the host and enables encrypted remote sessions, so you won't lock yourself out later. Now you configure the host machine. Give it a recognizable name and enable remote connections so it stays discoverable. Install any optional native host components when prompted. These allow background access and file transfer, so check that installer window and accept. Once the host service runs, test a local connection from another signed-in device. Select the host, enter the PIN, and confirm responsiveness. If performance lags, lower display resolution or disable clipboard sync to reduce bandwidth. To finish, open Chrome Remote Desktop on the client device, pick the host, and enter the PIN you created. You'll be connected and can use the toolbar to send Ctrl-Alt-Delete, change resolution, or transfer files. When done, sign out or disconnect to end the session and preserve security. If connection fails, first verify both devices are online and Chrome updated. Then check firewall settings and confirm the host service is running. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.